Hi, my name is John Sutherland. I've been employed with Terex for roughly 4 years. My first job was on the paint line at Onload. I worked at Onload for over a year and eventually moving on to other areas of the paint line and learning essential skill sets throughout the paint line. Something I have personally thrived from is to learn new skills and think of ways which will benefit myself and the team that work around me. Myself now, I'm currently on a training supervisor role within the paint line. The challenges, the pace and the team that we have built together as a team is why I love coming to my work, and I have done every day. In my experience, Terex Ballymoney shows a leading way into training, core values and how to progress your career.
Hi, I'm Stevie Black, the paint line manager here at Terex Ballymoney. We currently run 2 shift patterns here in Ballymoney and paint approximately 50 flight bars a day containing hundreds of different parts, varying in size and weight. Over the last 2 years I have recruited from various sectors, including the construction industry, fast food, lorry drivers, and all of these new people have been able to bring new skills to the workforce and are now key members of the team. I have a passion for developing team members, and we have created new roles in team lead and lead up, which we have filled internally. So if you're a team player with a good work ethic, we have a job for you here in Ballymoney. And no experience, no problem. As mentioned, we have taken people from various sectors and full training is provided. So if you want to join us on this exciting journey, creating and sustaining jobs in the local area, give us a shout.
Hello, I'm Judith Workman and I work in HR here in Terex Ballymoney. I have been with the company now for 9 months. I have found Terex Ballymoney to be very welcoming and we have opportunities across many departments. Terex have a range of benefits with employment, including healthcare, pensions, perks, discount card, competitive salaries and career development opportunities. I am proud to work for Terex Ballymoney and I look forward to you joining us here.